Yeah, I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep with you? I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep with you? 헤어지자고 아침부터 you've been going through my phone. 말해봐 내가 바보인 줄 알아 not alone. Yeah.
Chérie, vraiment, joyeux anniversaire. J'espère que tu as apprécié ta surprise. Ça nous a fait très plaisir de la programmer. Tes 40 ans, c'est une étape importante pour toi. Gros bisous, on t'aime tous très fort.
Hello, mommy. So just to tell you that I love you very much, and I hope you're gonna spend a nice day and for the rest of the day.
Maman, je t'aime, tu es la meilleure des mamans, tu m'aides tout le temps. Et joyeux anniversaire, je t'aime, bisous.
I'm so happy that we're all here to celebrate your milestone birthday with you. More than anything, I wish for you a fantastic year, but more so a fantastic life, the rest of your life for it to be fantastic and full of abundance. We love you, we want the best for you, and we celebrate you now and forever.
Hey Tasha, happy birthday to you. I'm so happy that we're here celebrating with you. So happy that we got to take a trip together to celebrate together. I wish you an amazing birthday and so many more awesome ones to come. Cheers to being together on your birthday and cheers to many more awesome birthdays to come. Pretend that I have a champagne glass, darling. Mwah,
puzzle piece of lost, baby, I don't even read it all. 이대로 가기 너무 아쉬워, but you know the time is up and we gotta go. 시간 돌려봐 back in time.